India is yet to warm up to the idea of electric two-wheelers. Although, we must point out that the last couple of years have seen some really good electric scooters and bikes enter the market at an affordable price point and have decent service backup as well. Here's our list of best electric two-wheelers that you could buy. Let us begin. Up first is the Ather 450. It is a true blue electric scooter and is manufactured by Ather Energy, which is a Bangalore-based company. The Ather 450 and the 450X are stylishly designed and look good on the move. The Ather 450 uses a 2.71 kWh lithium-ion battery with a BLDC motor, which has peak power of 5.4 kW or 7.24 bhp and 20.5 Nm of maximum torque. The Ather 450 promises an acceleration of 0 to 40 km per hour in just 3.9 seconds, with a claimed actual top speed of 80 km per hour. In economy mode, the 450 is said to offer 75 km of range on a single charge, while the power mode will offer 60 km range on a single charge. It is priced at 1,25,000 rupees, which is the on-road price. The new Ather 450X is a better equipped version of the 450 that is already on sale and comes with a host of upgrades, including a larger battery pack and more power. Our Ather 450X review is up on karanbike.com and you can check out the same on our website. Up next, we have the Bajaj Chetak. Bajaj Auto found the perfect way to revive its Chetak brand in the guise of company's first ever electric vehicle. The new Chetak gets an all-metal body with a neo-retro design. The Chetak's electric motor provides 5.36 bhp or 4 kW of peak power and 16 Nm of torque. The Chetak gets two ride modes, Eco and Sport. In Eco mode, the Chetak has a claimed maximum range of over 95 km, while in Sport mode, the range is limited to over 85 km on a single charge. The Chetak has a curb weight of around 120 kg and the maximum speed is limited to 60 km per hour. It gets LED lighting all around along with premium paint finish, alloy wheels and a full digital instrument console and keyless ignition. The Chetak Urbane Edition with drum brakes will be priced at 1 lakh rupees, while the Chetak Premium Edition with disc brakes is priced at 1,15,000 rupees. With Bajaj launching the Chetak, TVS too jumped into the EV fray and launched the iQube electric scooter. The iQube is an EV which looks like a regular scooter and has good fit and finish. The top speed of the iQube EV is about 78 km per hour and it has a range of about 75 km. The battery can be charged fully with the standard 5A charger in 6 hours. The electric motor develops 5.9 brake horsepower or 4.4 kW and 140 Nm of peak torque is available. The 0 to 40 km per hour sprint is done in 4.2 seconds. The scooter has two riding modes, which are economy and power. The scooter also gets a fully digital instrument console, which is Bluetooth enabled and also gets TVS's Smart Connect technology, which helps the rider to use an app and get access to the scooter's statistics along with functions such as geofencing, navigation, overspeed alert and so on. The TVS iQube electric scooter is priced at 1,15,000 rupees and it will be available in just one variant. Up next is the only motorcycle in this list. We are talking about the Revolt RV400. The Revolt RV400 is the more performance-oriented model with a claimed top speed of 85 km per hour and ARAI certified range of 156 km on a single charge of the lithium-ion battery, provided you ride at a constant speed of 65 km per hour. It gets a 3 kW electric motor along with 170 Newton meters of instant torque and a 3.24 kWh lithium-ion battery. The RV400 can be purchased with monthly payments of 3,499 rupees for 36 months and the additional 5,000 rupees for 4G connectivity. The total cost comes to 1,34,463 rupees after 3 years. Till date, Revolt has got over 3,000 bookings in India for the RV400 since its launch. And lastly, we have the Okinawa Praise Pro. It slots between the Praise and the iPraise in India. The Praise Pro gets a 1000 watt brushless DC motor which is waterproof and generates peak power of 2.5 kilowatts and 40 Newton meters. There is a 2 kWh lithium-ion battery which offers a range of 88 km in sports mode and 110 km in the economy mode according to ARAI. The top speed of the Praise Pro is restricted to 35 km per hour in the economy mode, while it goes up to 65 to 70 km per hour in the sports mode. The Okinawa Praise Pro is priced at 71,990 rupees. It uses telescopic forks up front and twin shocks at the rear, while braking performance comes from disc brakes at either end with electronic ABS as standard. So that rounds up our list of top electric two-wheelers in India. Be rest assured that we'll be seeing more of them in the near future.